Hi my dear students, very good morning. Are you all fine? I hope you are fine. Take safety measures against corona. Okay? Okay students, today we are going to see the recall portion of lesson 13. Okay? Yeah. In this lesson we saw light, shadows and reflection. For introduction we studied luminous objects and non-luminous objects, isn't it? Luminous means the objects or the materials give out light of their own, that are divided into natural and artificial. Sun, firefly are the natural luminous objects. Then candle, lamp are the artificial luminous objects. What is non-luminous objects? The objects do not give out light on their own. Example, wood, wall, isn't it? Etc. Then we studied the characteristic of light. That means light travels in a straight line, isn't it? Yeah. Before that, according to the capacity of passing light, we are divided the materials into three types: opaque, transparent and translucent. The materials do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque. Example, wood, paper, etc. The materials allow light to pass through them completely are called transparent. Example, plain glass, clean water, air are the examples of transparent materials. Then what is translucent? The materials allow light to pass through them partially. Example, oiled paper, butter paper, isn't it? That are the examples of translucent objects. Then we studied about shadows, isn't it? What is shadow? Yeah, when an opaque object is placed in front of a source of light, it does not allow the light to pass through it. This results in the formation of dark patch behind the opaque object. This dark patch is called shadow, isn't it? Now we studied the characteristic of shadow and the conditions we studied, isn't it? Then, apart from your book, we have to learn the shadow has two parts. They are umbra and penumbra. Okay, umbra means, see this picture, the dark patch of the shadow on the wall where no light is able to reach is called umbra. Okay, that means the dark place of the shadow. Then what is penumbra? Around the umbra, a little lighter patch is formed as sunlight is able to reach the wall. This portion of the shadow is called a penumbra. Okay, are you clear? See the picture. Center dark part is umbra and surrounding the sunlight reach the wall. No, that part is called penumbra. Okay, then this shadow is occur in solar system. Are you heard about eclipse? Yeah. I like to share some points about the eclipse. Okay. An eclipse is defined as an astronomical event. Astronomical means the events are happen in space or sky. Okay. That's called astronomical event. Okay. What are the main things have you seen in the sky or space? Yeah. We know sun, moon, stars. And solar system means all the planets, isn't it? Eclipse means mainly the three celestial bodies. They are sun, earth and moon. Okay. An eclipse occurs when the sun, the earth and the moon are in a straight line. We know these are the celestial bodies moving, isn't it? Surrounding itself, and earth is surrounding itself and around sun also. Isn't it? While this rotating time, these three bodies, the celestial bodies, what are they? Sun, the earth and the moon are in straight line. What will occur? The eclipse. An eclipse will occur. Okay. Solar eclipse means when the sun, the moon and the earth come in a straight line with the moon. This is the important one. The moon is in the middle. So the shadow of the moon may fall on some portion of the earth, because comparing earth and moon, which one is which size is bigger? Earth. So some portion of the shadow of the moon may fall on some portion of the earth. In this portion, sun is blocked by the shadow of the moon. This phenomenon is called solar eclipse. Okay, are you clear? See the picture, you can understand. Okay, now here see the moon in the center. The shadow of the moon is fall on the earth, some portion of the earth. This is called solar eclipse. Then what is lunar eclipse? When the sun, the moon and earth comes in a straight line with earth is in the middle. The shadow of the earth falls on the moon. When the moon moves around the earth, it passes through different area of the shadow. When the moon is in the umbra region of this shadow, we observe total lunar eclipse. If the moon is in the partially in the penumbra region and partly in the umbra region, we observe partial lunar eclipse. Okay, are you clear? Okay, these are the two eclipses happen in the space. Okay. Next we have studied in last class reflection of light, isn't it? The phenomenon due to which light bounces off a highly polished surface. What will happen? Reflection of light will be happen. Because of reflection, what images are formed, isn't it? And images is formed when light is reflected from a surface. Okay, students. Now, just we can discuss the one word, that means page number 175. Let's remember. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Okay. A dash is a man-made source of light. Here the options are candle and firefly. What is the question? Man-made source. So, candle is the answer. Second one, clear glass and clear water are examples of dash material. transparent and translucent, clear glass and clear water. So, what's the answer? Transparent. Then, third question. Wood is a dash material. Whether wood is pass a light? No, it does not pass a light. So, answer is opaque material. Then, what about fourth one? A shadow is an area of dash when an opaque object blocks the light falling on it. A shadow is an area of when an opaque object blocks light falling on it. Options are darkness or brightness. Shadow is an area of darkness. Good. A shadow is formed on the source or a screen or surface. Where shadow will be formed? Yeah, a screen or surface. Okay. Then, what's the final question? The shadow of an object shows detail or shape. Yeah, we can know only about the shape of the object because we cannot give the colors or any other details. Only we can understand the shape of the object. Are you clear? Yeah. Next, shall we go? Page number 177. Okay. First one. And dash surface will produce a diffused reflection. Diffused means? Diffused reflection means what? Where it will be happen? Yeah, it will be happen on rough and bumpy surface, isn't it? So, what is the answer? Answer is a uneven surface. Even means safe, uneven surface, that is bumpy surface, isn't it? So, it will produce a diffused reflection. Then second one, the shadow of a blue door will be. We know shadow always shows only black, isn't it? So blue or green or white or any color maybe, it will be show only black on shadow. So answer is black. Then third question, dash gives only the outline of the object. Which one giving outline of the object? Images or shadows? Yes, shadows. Only outline only we can get it. Then we get a dash image with a pinhole camera. What image? Yeah, inverted image. Then fifth one, if an object is taken far away from a light source, its shadows far away. So distance is increase. Distance increase means the shadow is size will be degrees. Okay. So what is the answer? If an object is taken far away from a light source, its shadow is degrees in size. Okay students, those who didn't mark these 2 page 1 word questions, now you mark it and study well.